Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Morning.
Okay, good morning. So, children, we were doing revisions last week. So, today, one more revision test we will do. And, children, you know your exam. When is your exam? Math exam?
Okay.
15th, Monday. Okay. So, children, Friday you will have which exam? I think grammar. Grammar. So, after grammar, you have 2 days. Saturday, Sunday, prepare well, study well. Okay, after the exams, you can play. Okay, so don't get play and exam without preparation. Don't do exam. So what we have to do, we have 2 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And children, we have MCQ of 20 marks and written test. It's about 30 marks. 30 marks. Okay, so I will give you how is the pattern. Okay, so we'll start. Viraj, can you show me your book? So children, please take out your rough book and we will start from measurement. Some question, that is multiply and divide. Okay, question number 1. So here children, we will do one small revision test. Question number 1, multiply. You have to write the question. Without writing the question, you cannot do the answers faster. Multiply 18 kilometer 361 meter. 18 kilometer 361 meter multiplied with 19. Question number 2, divide. $15 kilogram 183 gram by 21. So we can write here divide by 21. First do these 2 questions, then we will discuss the answers, then we will continue with the other questions. So Henry, where is the book? Where are you writing? Now when where is the start writing? Write the question first. So children, you know how to start the questions here. Yes? Question number 1. Look here, kilometer and meter. So we'll write like a heading, kilometer and meter. So how many kilometer? 18 kilometer. And how much meter? 361 meter. Multiplied with, which is the number? 19. Okay, so like this measurements, children, chapter 12 measurements, we learn divide and multiply, length, weight and capacity. If it is kilometer, meter. If it is liter and milliliter, you can write L and ml. And if it is kilogram and gram, you have to write here kilogram and here gram. So it is according to the question you have to see. Is it length or weight or capacity? So here, children, we are writing kilometer and meter. Start doing. Here, 15 kilogram 183. So 15 kilogram 183. We will write together as the dividend. And the divisor is 21. Divisor is 21. So first step you have to write like this. Then start normal multiplication and normal division. Try to do alone, all of you. I can see Henry sitting like this. Where are you writing? Where is Viraj? Let me see whether all are writing. Devdarshan, please mute your audio. Devdarshan. What about these children? If your camera is off, how can I see that you are writing? Anupama, Dia, Eva, Isa, Laya. First of all, you have to write like kilometer, meter. See, children, you have to check whether there are 3 digits. Here, there are 3 digits here in the meter and here 3 digits in gram. So, no need to add any zero to the front here. We just need to add, multiply or divide. And I hope, children, you know the multiplication tables. You have to study or practice regularly. Arfan, please mute your audio. Arfan, mute your audio. Okay, Dia, let's start. First, we will start multiply with which number? 9. Okay, we'll start with multiply with 9. Okay, 9 into 1? 9. Then 9 into 1. Then we will start 9 into 6.
23.
9 into 6.
6.
Yes?
54.
54. 9 into 6 is 54. 4 and 5 is the carryover. 9 into 3. 9 threes are
27.
9 threes are 27 plus 5, 32. 32. 3 is the carryover. 8 into 9. 9, 8.
98.
9 8s are 8 into 9. Yes, children.
72.
72 plus 3, we have 75. 7 is the carryover. 1 into 9, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. So here, children, the first row, that is 16, 5, 2, 49. And the second row starts with 0. Second row starts with 0. Then here, the second row, that is multiply with 1. Very easy. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6,
1 into 6. 1 into 9.
table of 1. Just write the same number. Do it fast. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 6, 6. 1 into 3,
3.
3. 1 into 8,
8.
1 into 1.
1.
Now add
1
9 plus 0, 9.
5.
6 plus 2, 8.
1.
8.
4.
1. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So this is 3, 4, 8. 8, 5, 9. Children, please see whether you got correct answer. So this last 3 digit represents, that is meter, and the first 3 digits that represents kilometer. So kilometer, that is 348 kilometer, 859 meter. So that answer is 348 859. 348
859.
348 and 859. Let me see how many got this answer. How many children got this answer? Yes.
I got same answer only.
Same answer. Okay, please check. Those who are not finished.
Ma'am, only one mistake. That was the 165. I write 162. That I make 25, and I write the 2 was I do 5 there. 2 mistake there. Then I make the 8.
So do with concentration. Okay, children, don't make mistakes and study well the multiplication tables. Okay. Now please mute your audio and continue question number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I can see again some sound.
Good
From where?
morning.
Yes, I'll mute your audio. I told all the children to on the camera. I want to see whether you are doing alone. So here, children, you had to write the multiplication table of 21. Very easy, table of 21. You can multiply, you will get faster.
Yes, ma'am. That may finish.
So 1 into 21 is 21, 2 into 21, 2 into 1, 2, 2 twos are 4. 1 into 3, 3 twos are 6, 63. 1 into 4, 4, 4 twos are 8, 84. So children, here 15 when you compare with 21, that is small number, we cannot divide. So you have to take 3 digits together. So 151, that is between 147 and 168. So which one will take? 151 is between 147 and 168. So which one will take? I know, Mama, you are not audible. So it will take 147. We cannot take 168. So 21 into which number? 7. 21 into 7. What you'll get? 147. 147. Then when you subtract, try to do alone, all of you. The multiplication table you first write, then try to do alone. Then those who finish, please check the answers. Here when you subtract, you will get 4. Bring down 8, 48. Now look here, 48 is between 42 and 63. So which one you will take? You can take only the number before 48. So that is 42. So how many times? 2 times 21. 2 times 21, you will get, that is 42. When you subtract, you will get 6. Bring down 3. Now, is there any 63 in the table? Can you see any 63 in the table of 21? Yes.
3 by 23.
3 times 21. 3 times 21, that is 63. So here when you got, you'll get 0. So what's the answer? 723. That is the quotient. 723. So children, like this measurement question, what you have to do? That kilogram, if it is kilogram or milliliter or kilometer, what you have to do? Write the number together. That is 15 kilogram and 183. We will write 15 and 183 together. That is the dividend. Write the multiplication table of the divisor and do the Division. Okay, so how many children got this 723? 723. Yes, Henry finished. Many children I can see they got correct answer. If anybody got mistake, please see where you got mistake, whether your multiplication table is correct.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, or I is wrong.
What?
That 48, no, that bring down 8 and I write it, I wrote that 3, 8, or 38.
That is 11
That
minus
was my
4.
mistake.
11 minus 4. What is 11 minus 4? Very easy. After 7, count 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 4. So children,
Ma'am, one mistake was the I write at 110. That like that
okay.
we
So
do now.
those who got mistakes, please see how you got mistake, and next time do carefully. Okay, children. Next time when you do carefully and revise all the tables. Okay. So when is your exam? Monday. Revise all the tables and practice more questions. Okay, Adinada. And when you do, don't do in a hurry, because this maths you need more concentration. You have to do carefully. Okay. So children, as I told before, we have MCQ test. It is out of 20 marks.
Ma'am,
Written test it is out of
tomorrow.
wait. Written test is out of 30 marks. And look here, how many questions you'll get? 2-mark question. You will get, listen carefully, Adinath, wait. 2-mark questions, 3-mark and 4-mark. We don't have for 1-mark multiple choice in the written exam. There is no fill in the blanks, or 1-mark question will not be there. Definitions or like that. What do you have? You have only 2-mark question. So look here, how many 2 marks? You will get 2-mark, 5 questions. So total how much? 2 into 5?
10.
So 2-mark you will get 5 questions. And 3-mark you will get 4 questions. So 4 threes. What is 4 into 3? 12.
12.
And 4-mark you will get 2 questions. 4-mark. 8. So total it will be 30. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So written exam, children, you have 2-mark question, 3-mark question and 4-mark question. And 5 questions from 2, 4 questions from 3 and 2. So total you have 6 plus 5, 11 questions. So 11 questions. Children, you have all these questions with steps you have to write. There is no one word in this written exam. Written exam, why? Because we are writing MCQ. So 6 o'clock to 6:30 MCQ. 6:30 to 8 o'clock, 1.5 hours, you have written exam. So when you have written exams, children, you have to write with steps. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In the
So this is the pattern. Yes,
like
Adinatha.
this one question answer can be the question answers. Question answers in the exam. Dividing question answer, that can be the
for the exam. We are discussing all type of answers, questions. Yes. So just now we were doing what? Multiplication and division questions from measurements. Okay, now I will give you one question from the from fraction. Question number 3. Yes, children. Take the next. Question number 3. This is a word problem. Okay. Raju ate. So children, this is a word problem. You have to write the question. Raju ate 1/8 chocolate and Rani ate. Devdarshan, are you writing? Rani ate 3/8 of chocolate. So Raju ate how much? 1/8. Rani ate 3/8. How much they ate all together? How much they 8 all together.
4 by 8.
But we had to write with step because this is a word problem.
Yeah.
Children, instead of all together, we have how tell me which type of question is this? What we have to do?
And to
Add. So all together, how much in all, how much total, all these, what we have to do? You have to do addition. Okay. How much left means you will do subtract here all together. So that means we have to add. So children, look at here. Raju ate 1 by 8. So we will start with answer. Fraction of chocolate eaten by Raju. I told you, you have to write the steps. Because this is word problem. Fraction of chocolate eaten by Raju. Raju. So that is 1 by 8. Now look here, Rani also. That is 3 by 8. So next step, fraction of chocolate eaten by Rani. So I am writing here only with Rani to make that faster. 3 by 8. Next one, what do you have to do? You can just write total or how much they ate together. How much all together. So I'm just writing total 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8. Find out the answer.
Ma'am, 4 by 8.
So children, here 8, here also one the denominators are same. So what do we have to do? We have to add only the numerators. We have to add only the numerators. 1 plus 3. What is that? 4 by 8. 4 by 8.
Ma'am, it is very easy, but we wrote in a big question. Like a step.
Steps.
But
Because it's a word problem. Because it's a word problem, you have to write with the steps. Okay, children, tell me this 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. Which type of fractions? 1 by 8 and 3 by 8. Look at here. The denominators are same. Like fractions. Very good. Like fractions. So if the fractions are, if the denominators are same, fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Okay, children, now tell me, what about proper fraction? Proper.
Ma'am,
Numerator is
smaller
than the denominator. Very good. Numerator is smaller than the denominator, so it's called a proper. So what is improper? Greater. Okay, numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, children, now we will do the next question. Here we will do one expand. Question number 4. Expand. Expand the decimals. 658.16. So like this question, children, first step, what we will do, we can draw one place value chart. Place value chart.
Expand.
Write the question faster. Decimal point. After the decimal point, we have 10th and 100th.
Yeah. I'm taking decimal point.
Here we have ones, tens, hundreds.
Question two question put. I write some big gully.
So here 658.16. Finish this one first, okay? Write the question in the place value chart. Then write the expanded form below that. Muhammad Amil, are you writing? Yes, children, tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
6 in which place?
6 into 100, 5 into
6
100, 8
into
into 1 by
100. Why? Because
6 by 100.
100 place. 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Okay, plus 1 into
point.
1 into 10th. How you will write?
1 by 10.
1 by 10. Very good. 1 by 10 plus 6 into 1 by 100. Now you can multiply and write. 6 into 100 means 600 plus 5 into 10 is 50 plus 8 into 1 is 8 plus 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100. So this is the expanded form of the decimal given, that is 658.16.
50.
600 plus 5 into 10, that is 50 plus 8 plus 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100.
Plus 1 by plus 6 by 100. Finish, ma'am.
So children, did you get the answers? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, children. So we have exam on Monday. Study well for your exam. You have to study all the questions. First workbook. Okay. We have questions from workbook only. So multiple choice question. Study all the one words from the workbook. So after the MCQ, you have written test, and I discussed the pattern. Study from the workbook. Write and study. Okay. So when you have written exam, children, you have to write with steps. Okay, children, all the best. Is there anything you had to ask me? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So best of luck, children. You have to write neatly. Yes, Varida?
Ma'am, can I show you the paper which we needed to write the test?
What, Varida? Can you be louder?
Ma'am, can I show the paper which we need to write the test?
Ma'am, can you send ID number and email number?
That your class teacher will send. All the subjects you are sending to same email. Okay, you have to convert into PDF, then send it to email. So first exam, you are writing English grammar, no? So
Ma'am, which app we should download to make PDF?
I think they have sent, no? A teacher have sent one.
We should.
Yes.
Which app we should download to make PDF?
I think your teacher has sent one link. Click on that and it will show you.
CT scan.
Yes. Yes, Varida.
CT scan.
Yes, Varida. Okay. Yes. So you are showing me this paper. Okay. In this paper you are writing. Yes, Varida. Yes.
Ma'am, in a white paper.
Yes, white paper. Okay. Okay, children. So the time is over. All the best. Study well. And Write neatly.
A4 sheet
A4 sheet.
book.
A4 sheet.
Ma'am, I have some papers. I am stuck.
Okay, children. Okay, you can write in a paper and say, write neatly and send it to the email. Okay, children. Bye bye. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.